Hi guys, it's Hadley again. I am so excited to film this video because I'm just gonna go straight into it. I hope you guys don't care. Kylie's skin has finally arrived. I am like so excited. I've never been so excited for a package. So we're just gonna dive right in. Okay, so the box came like this, all pink and stuff. The handy dandy knife out. I cut that baby right down. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really bright outside. It says KylieSkin.com. And here is my queen, Kylie. Bubble wrap for the aesthetics. Get out of here. And here is the face wash. I'm so excited. So I only got the face wash, the moisturizer, and the toner because I felt like I wasn't going to use the other stuff. So, oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Look at her. I used Clinique face wash already, and that's pretty expensive anyways. And this is like a competing price with Clinique. So I thought maybe a face wash with more natural ingredients would actually help my skin. I am doing a video on this. I'm going to do a week trying Kylie skincare products. So if you want to see if these actually work, be sure to subscribe down below because I will be posting that in the next week because I'm going to test if it actually works. And that's what I want to know, is if it works. So I'm sure you guys want to know too if you guys are thinking of buying this. Here is the toner. I've seen people who've gotten their products already and they say they love this toner. Love the way it's just like here in my face and not online. And then we have the moisturizer. Pretty small, but she's pretty. She's really pretty. I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video because I'm really excited to see if it works. And here is the next thing that I got online. This is like what I got from Sephora. It's called the Bod Squad. It's H-U-M, I think, vitamins. And it comes in a set of 2. And it's Skinny Bird and Flatter Me. It looks like this. It's supposed to boost your metabolism, make you lose weight. I wanted to just try because it's summer, and I read reviews and some of them say like they make you feel nauseous. So I'm gonna wait till this weekend to try them because I have things to do this week and I don't have time. But this is probably when you're gonna be seeing this video. If you guys want to know if these work, make sure to let me know in the comments and I'll tell you if I see results or anything. And whenever I do the Kylie skin review, I'm going to be super unbiased. I know that what you just saw, you're like, oh my god, she is going to say it's good even if it's not. I'm gonna show you results, so I can't be like it's so good and like my face be breaking out. So you know what I mean. Let's move on to swimsuits. Shein bathing suits. I got this Shein bathing suit. It's kind of like a triangle bathing suit with these bottoms. I actually had to reorder this. The big problem I had with this store is you can only order your top and bottom in the same size. So you can only order a size medium or a size large, but it has to be in both those sizes. You can't do like a small top with like a large bottom, which not everybody's made like all one size, so I think that's really wrong. But I ordered a medium in all these, and honestly, I should have read the review on this one because the shorts run really small, so I had to reorder in large, and they are still like hugging me, not very comfortably. So that is what I got first of all. So then I got this one, which is kind of hard to see because it's a tie bathing suit, so it's like untied right now. It's marble and it's pretty. I don't know how I feel. I feel like it's just gonna come undone, and you know what I mean. So yeah, and then the bottoms are like this, and they were pretty tight too, but I didn't feel like ordering another size. And then my last bathing suit I got was this one right here, and I like the way that it's straight across. I'm not really sure about the bottoms because they're kind of weird. I think they're high-waisted. I only swim at my house, so I mean, and a few other places, but I only swim at my house, so I don't feel very comfortable like hiking my bathing suit bottoms up to here. I don't care if people do. I'm not like judging them for it, but like in front of my family it could feel kind of weird. So like I don't know how often I'll wear these. If I'm like tanning out by myself I might, but I don't know. I got another bathing suit. This is from American Eagle. I saw this online and I was like, I don't know if I can pull this off because it's like, it's cute because it's got the little ties and the ruffles. I was like, that kind of looks like a little girl bathing suit. I was like, I feel like it looked like a little girl in it. But I actually really liked it when I tried it on. The top, it's like a navy blue. And I got that in a size, I got the top in a size large. I think these are in a large too. And continuing on with American Eagle, this is a shirt I got from American Eagle. It ties in the back. Also got an identical one to that, and it's in this beautiful white and blue pattern. Again, you'll see it in the try on portion. I really like it. I think it's really super cute. I got this tube top that I love this design. It is so cute. I love these tops too. I think it's kind of ridiculous that it's $15. It's like the least amount of fabric to make this, but I really like it, so I got it. And then kind of splurged with this skirt, but I've always wanted one of these, and she's just so pretty. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I need to quit spending money, but this is what I got. I literally spent a whole paycheck on this. Now let's move on to Gymshark. So I tried this out. I spent a lot of money. Spent like a whole paycheck on this thing because they're just so pretty. So I got this pair of leggings. It's got the Gymshark symbol right there, and they're just like long leggings. They kind of got a weird pattern at the bottom. Like, I don't hate it. It's just different, and they're pretty stretchy. I've worked out in these before. They kind of are too big at the waist, but the rest of it fits me. Then I got this pair of leggings, and it says Gymshark on the back of this. This is the back of them, and it looks like this, and then this is the front. You see it? Then I got this set, and it was a bra and a matching legging. These are like such a weird feeling. They're so soft. Oh, just kidding. I'm not wearing cute shorts with this outfit, but these are the shorts I got from Gymshark. High-waisted. And they just look like this. I haven't actually worn these out yet. It only has one pocket on this side. That's so weird. But they have pockets in the back. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe because I want you guys to see how these products work. Because I'm so excited about trying it. I just can't, like... I'm so excited. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!